This is how you're going to fix edit with Elementor button missing. So first thing is you're going to head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then from here you're going to head over to the left side panel and then find Elementor from the list. So we're going to click on Elementor right here, and then from here you'll be able to see this drop down menu. You're going to click on the settings. Now from the settings page, you're going to head over to the general tab, and then under the general tab you're just going to click or going to head over to the post types section. Now from the post type section, you're just going to make sure that you have these checked. So you're going to make sure that the boxes for pages and posts are checked. So as you can see, I already have it. So why does this happen? So think of Elementor as a specialized toolkit. So for safety and performance, WordPress doesn't just leave that toolkit open everywhere. If the boxes for pages is unchecked right here in your settings, WordPress assumes you want to use the standard classic editor for pages and hides the Elementor button to prevent software conflict. So if you want it to show up, you're going to ensure that pages is checked if you want to build website pages, and then ensure posts is checked if you want to use Elementor for your blog articles. Now you're just going to scroll down until you find this Save Changes button. You're going to click on that, and then after that you're going to just refresh your page. So just go back to the page where the button was missing and refresh your browser. The Edit with Elementor button should now appear at the top. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix edit with Elementor button missing. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.